Hi, welcome to day 25 Mexican hat dance. Make sure that your valves are all flexible and that you've oiled them, especially at night before you come to class the next day, so that it'll work in class. If you look at Mexican hat dance and the first three measures and compare them to three measures somewhere else, there's an identical set of measures. You want to practice smartly and surgically. Practice what you need to practice, but if there's a duplicate somewhere else, you don't need to extra practice it. The other thing to look out for is the 4 accent places. The first 3 are the same, but the last one is different, and usually people, when something all of a sudden is changed on you, it throws people off. Make sure you're looking ahead. Here's Mexican hat dance. I'll play the melody the first time, the harmony the second time. I'll give 1, 2, 3, 1 counts, and then you come in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony, 1, 2, 3, 1. Thanks for playing Mexican hat dance with me. If you had fun playing along with it, hit the thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say, and have a great day.